Do you dread every single Monday feeling trapped in a 9-to-5 routine? Welcome to the reality of countless individuals stuck in the conventional job market. It's an all too familiar world of running relentlessly in the rat race, yearning for freedom that seems just out of reach. The limitations on income potential can feel stifling, like a ceiling capping off your aspirations. But hold on to that dream of liberation, because what if I told you there's a way out? A way to say goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind. Introducing affiliate marketing, a solution to your Monday blues. Picture this, a business model where you are the middleman, connecting eager customers to incredible products. That's the essence of affiliate marketing. You don't have to worry about creating products or dealing with customer service or order fulfillment. All those headaches, they belong to someone else. Your role? Promoting products that you believe in and earning a commission for your efforts. This isn't a pipe dream. It's a reality for countless individuals who've chosen this path. The beauty of affiliate marketing is its flexibility. It can be pursued part-time or full-time depending on your needs and aspirations. And the best part? You can do it from anywhere. Yes, you heard that right, anywhere. Whether you're sipping a latte in a bustling city cafe or relaxing on a sun-soaked beach, you can make your business work for you. Imagine a life where you control your schedule, your income, and your location. Ready to escape the rat race and start your journey towards freedom? Get a head start with our 100% free course on affiliate marketing. No hidden charges, no strings attached. It's designed to equip you with the knowledge and tools to kickstart your journey in the world of affiliate marketing. You don't need to create products, worry about fulfillment, or even deal with customer service. Sign up for our free course today and say goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind. Just click the link below in the description to learn the secrets to success. Your path to freedom starts now.